Most of the business struggle with getting consistent leads, getting consistent with their brand visibility and brand awareness, what they are doing in the business system. But I have the genuine recommendation suggestion for the business owner who are just thinking about building their brand and building their more awareness about their business. When the opportunity comes into the scaling, they just think how it can be developed by offline. Of course, it requires offline connection, but you need to have an online presence that build a brand. You need to create a content that builds authority. It must have an educational. It could be educational, it could be informational, and it could be any your testimonials that your customers are giving online to your business regarding the services, the products you are supplying, you are giving to them, and they are consuming that. You need to have that process. You need to show that process. And until and unless you are not going to show that process, you are not going to build that brand visibility, you are not going to build that trust. Because ultimately the trust are giving you sales more. Right now, discount doesn't matter a lot much, but the trust, the feeling of special, the feeling of special from the customers for your brand with your trust, it requires more brand authority with online as well offline. So create that content around your business services you are supplying. It could be tutorial, it could be any, as we are going to discuss later on about it. But right now, focus on creating as much as content you can. And there are tons of opportunity, tons of tools, tons of things that easily available to create it. If you are not creating in-house team, then definitely you should look for some agencies, some people that can create for you. If you want to look for that, just contact us also. We can discuss about it. And if you really need that content, definitely I can say you really need that content. If you are especially building a brand, especially if you are in services business and your business is more focusing on the online opportunities, online bookings like inquiries, generating leads, the sales magnet, the sales funnel. We are going to discuss about that very deeply. But just focus on understanding how the content game works, how you are going to get have leads, how you are going to get leads and consistent visibility along with the content for your business. Just understand it. Be the person that can build authority. You are the face. You need actual marketing strategy that actually work for your business. So we will discuss in it and create as much as you can. This is the way you can build a lot. The more rich, the more opportunities there are going to get you. So wish you all the very best and you guys spirally. Thank you so much.